Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can convert the language in Microsoft Excel from Arabic to English. So let's say that we have accidentally converted the language of Excel to Arabic, and since we cannot read Arabic, how we can change that. So I'll tell you the couple of options in which exactly you have to follow the same thing and you should be able to change the language easily. No problem. So don't worry about that. So what you want to do is, first of all, if you are in the new Excel sheet, just click on the right hand corner where it says the first option is this one. This option, even if you can't read it, this is the symbol. And after that, we want to insert a new Excel sheet, which is this one. As you can see the sign or icon of it, just select that and make sure you are on a fresh sheet. After that, just click on this particular option again and just go to this option, which is right at the bottom, which says Khayarat. Just go in that option. And after that, you want to click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th option, which says Al-Lughat. So depending on the version that you are using, it might be upward somewhere or bottom somewhere, but you want to click on something that looks like this. And here we can see the default language is selected to Arabic, and this is the Microsoft Windows default, which I want to select. So if you want to continue with this one, just select this one. And if you want to add some more language, you want to select Azafa, but here we will just continue with this one. So click here, and now it is changed to default. As you can see, now this one is highlighted and become number 1, and the other one is selected as number 2. Now, if we want to continue, we want to select this option, Mawafik, this option right here. If you see something like this, just click on here again and just close out of here. Just close the Excel file and just open that again and just select blank workbook, and there you go. Now the language is changed back to English. So hopefully your problem will be resolved. So I hope you find this guide useful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also just comment down below if that worked for you, and I will see you in the next one.